Yeah.
You want to record it enough for more than one reasons, you know. All right, so we're gonna have it like this. So 1/10 raised to the power of 3. Now 10 raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as what? Can somebody tell me? How much is it equal to? 10 raised to the power of 3. What is it equal to? 10 raised to the power of 3. I just showed you what to do, so you must be able to tell me. 10 raised to the power of 3.
1,000.
1,000. Thank you very much. So Julian is performing tonight. I'm expecting good performances in January. If Melissa continues like how she did last week, if Julian continues like how she's doing this week, and if Kerisha step up again, he'll perform well. And if Tanya do her assignments, she will perform. All right. Now, so 5. So it says it's 1,000, right? Thank you very much. Times 1/1,000. Let's go in on it. Good. And as you know, it becomes simple again, multiplication of fractions. So now we have 5/1,000. All right. Why is my computer behaving like this? All right, so we're going to have, this is going to be equal to 5/1,000. How we get 5/1,000? Because we multiply 5 times 1. That's 5. So let's just go back through this again from start. So the first rule in doing a maths question is to first remind yourself of the meaning of each expression given. Remember that. Remind yourself of the meaning of each expression given. That's the first thing you need to do. Right? No. All right. So we understand that 10 raised to the power of 4 is saying 10 times 10 times 10 with 10 to 10 multiplied by 42 with 40,000. So we have here when the figure in this form 1/10 raised to the power of 3. There we do calculations. So we rewrite 10 raised to the power of 3 and the whole number as the numerator right here as 1,000 multiplied across 5/1,000. You understand that? Right? So it's more now. Let's figure that what we put is multiply by this product. Same whenever multiply this right, multiply by the expression. Right? So the 2,000 must be multiplied by, sorry, 5/1,000. All right. Now people used to use some shortcut. Let's use shortcut for this one.
And then for
This again, 40,000 by 1,000, right? And therefore, you have removed these, and you have 42. And 5 times 42 is how much? What's 5 times 42? What?
210.
Hold on. Yeah, Jenny? All right, reach one, right? All right. We're currently having a class going on now. Just as it finish, call it back, all right? All right. Next direction. So if you want to jump one and jump right, you can jump down and say,